Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the How I Draw Heads tutorial, and I'm going to show you how I draw heads. So, of course, I normally start off like anybody else with the circle, and of course, next will come the line down the center. It's just like a basic head, really. Pretty much. One thing that always does help is having the line of symmetry, and when you're using clip, that way it does the other side and there is no chance for a mistake, especially if you're just doing a front view like we're doing today. Now, there will be parts in this tutorial where I speed up, of course, because there's no need to go through all of the silent parts where I won't have anything to say. But next, but yeah, so there will be areas where it's sped up. Now, when it comes to doing eyes, I particularly like I go head and then I do eyes because the eyes really give me a feel for the character. I'm like possibly what the personality might be like. So if they got big eyes, I know maybe they have a bit of a softer feel to them. And then same with nose comes after, but I always start the nose with a circle for placement. Since I normally draw a lot of Oni girls, ladies, or elf women, I decided for this we're going to do a goblin girl. And when I think goblin, I think first thing come to mind, big floppy ears. Those are the kind of goblins I grew up knowing. They got the huge ears. And probably sharp teeth. But since we're not going to see the teeth, we're not going to worry about that. At least not right now. Now, to come up with the look, one of the things that I like to do is once I'm satisfied with a head design, as far as the facial features, the eyes, and everything as such, I like to take that layer and then duplicate it into several other several copy and paste, several different versions of it. That way I can then sort of design the hair. And this is like my start of my character design process, you know, because the hair also adds a lot to the character's personality in that sort of sense. Give you a feel for the type of character they are based on, how they take care of themselves, whether it just all of that. And so that's what I do here. Either I do a row of them, or what we're doing today, I am laying them out like this. Now, as far as the personality that I feel for this character, like when I think about Goblin, most of the time I think Scrappy. You know, Scrappy and excited and high strung, and so normally that differs a lot, and in a lot of cases for me, to short hair, messy hair, mohawk, the things that exude that scrappy, anxious, just energetic personality. Now, that also means that, it doesn't mean that the long hair characters don't have that. As there are times when I see characters that do. So we're gonna try a design from a lot of those. Yellow cat. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned next time for more Goblin Girl drawing. Next time we do the coloring, and don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe. Laters.